ये कैसी महक है? What's that smell? What's that smell? लहसुन भून रहा हूँ. I'm roasting garlic. I'm roasting garlic. मुझे कुछ नहीं सूंघ रहा. I don't smell anything. I don't smell anything. शायद पड़ोसी के किचन से आ रही है. Might be coming from neighbor's kitchen. Might be coming from neighbor's kitchen. मैंने परफ्यूम लगाया. I sprayed perfume. I sprayed perfume. कुछ जल रहा है. Something is burning. Something is burning. खाने का पैकेट खोला था. I opened a food packet. I opened a food packet. मेरा कंघा किसने इस्तेमाल किया? Who used my comb? Who used my comb? मैंने अभी किया. I just use it. I just use it. मैंने नहीं किया. Not me. Not me. शायद तुम्हारी बहन. Maybe your sister. Maybe your sister. बाहर पड़ा था तो मैंने ले लिया. It was lying outside. It was lying outside. लगा सबका है. I thought it was common. I thought it was common. तुमने हॉल में छोड़ दिया था. You had left it in hall. You had left it in hall. रिमोट कहाँ है? Where is the remote? Where is the remote? सोफे पर है. On the sofa. On the sofa. मुझे नहीं पता. I don't know. I don't know. शायद कुशन के नीचे हो. Must be under the cushion. Must be under the cushion. टेबल के नीचे देखो. Check under the table. Check under the table. आखिरी बार तुम्हारे पास था. You had it last. You had it last. शायद गिर गया हो. Maybe it fell down. Maybe it fell down. पीछे क्या छुपा रहे हो? What are you hiding behind your back? What are you hiding behind your back? एक सरप्राइज गिफ्ट. A surprise gift. A surprise gift. कुछ नहीं. Nothing. Nothing. बस एक छोटी चीज है. Just something small. Just something small. अभी दिखाता हूँ. You'll see in a second. You'll see in a second. तुम्हारी चॉकलेट है. It's your chocolate. It's your chocolate. सरप्राइज बिगाड़ना नहीं चाहता था. I didn't want to spoil the surprise. I didn't want to spoil the surprise. मेरी चिप्स किसने खाई? Who ate my chips? Who ate my chips? मैंने थोड़ी ली थी. I took a few. I took a few. मैंने तो छुआ भी नहीं. I didn't even touch it. I didn't even touch it. हो सकता है तुम्हारा भाई. Could be your brother. Could be your brother. पैकेट खुला था तो खा लिया. The pack was open, so I ate. The pack was open, so I ate. माफ करो, भूख लगी थी. Sorry, I was hungry. Sorry, I was hungry. तुमने कहा था ले लेना. You said I can take. You said I can take. होमवर्क कहाँ है तुम्हारा? Where is your homework? Where is your homework? बैग में है. In my bag. In my bag. मैंने नहीं किया. I didn't do it. I didn't do it. घर पर भूल आया. Forgot it at home. Forgot it at home. टीचर को दे दिया. I gave it to the teacher. I gave it to the teacher. टेबल पर रखा है. It's on the table. It's on the table. आधा ही किया. I completed half. I completed half. क्या लिख रहे हो यूं ही? What are you scribbling? What are you scribbling? बस ऐसे ही कुछ बना रहा हूँ. Just doodling. Just doodling. कुछ खास नहीं. Nothing important. Nothing important. अपने सिग्नेचर की प्रैक्टिस कर रहा हूँ. Practicing my signature. Practicing my signature. बोर हो रहा था. I was bored. I was bored. यूं ही डिजाइन बना रहा हूँ. Drawing random patterns. Drawing random patterns. कैलीग्राफी ट्राई कर रहा हूँ. Trying calligraphy. Trying calligraphy. तुम्हारा चेहरा इतना लाल क्यों है? Why is your face so red? Why is your face so red? धूप में जल गया. I got sunburn. I got sunburn. मेरा चेहरा ऐसा ही है. It's always like this. It's always like this. शायद एलर्जी की वजह से. Maybe due to allergy. Maybe due to allergy. अभी दौड़ कर आया हूँ. I just came running. I just came running. बाहर बहुत गर्मी है. It's hot outside. It's hot outside. शर्मिंदा हूँ. I'm embarrassed. I'm embarrassed. मुंह में क्या है? What's in your mouth? What's in your mouth? टॉफी है. एक कैंडी. एक कैंडी. अब कुछ नहीं है. Nothing now. Nothing now. च्युइंग गम है. Just chewing gum. Just chewing gum. चॉकलेट खा रहा था. I had some chocolate. I had some chocolate. बिस्किट खा रहा हूँ. I'm eating biscuit. I'm eating biscuit. खाने का थोड़ा बचा था. Left over from lunch. Left over from lunch. ये कहाँ से लाए? Where did you get this? Where did you get this? ऑनलाइन मंगाया. Bought it online. Bought it online. किसी ने दिया. Someone gave it. Someone gave it. पुराने सामान में मिला. Found it in old stuff. Found it in old stuff. पास की दुकान से लिया. From nearby shop. From nearby shop. ये गिफ्ट है. It's a gift. It's a gift. कजिन लाया था. My cousin brought it. My cousin brought it. तुम इतने नींद में क्यों लग रहे हो? Why are you looking so sleepy? Why are you looking so sleepy? रात को देर से सोया. Slept late last night. Slept late last night. मैं नींद में नहीं हूँ. I'm not sleepy. I'm not sleepy. बस आलस आ रहा है. Just feeling lazy. Just feeling lazy. ठीक से नींद नहीं आई. Didn't sleep well. Didn't sleep well. दिन भर का थका हूँ. Had a long day. Had a long day. अभी तक नींद खुल नहीं पाई. Still waking up. Still waking up. क्या गुनगुना रहे हो? What are you humming? What are you humming? एक गाना जो दिमाग में अटका है. A song stuck in my head. A song stuck in my head. मैं कुछ नहीं गा रहा था. I wasn't humming. I wasn't humming. बोल याद नहीं आ रहे. Don't know the lyrics. Don't know the lyrics. मेरा फेवरेट गाना है. My current favorite song. My current favorite song. बस कोई धुन थी. Just random tune. Just random tune. रील में सुना था. Heard it on reel. Heard it on reel. टेबल किसने गंदा किया? Who messed up the table? Who messed up the table? मैं यहाँ पढ़ाई कर रहा था. I was studying here. I was studying here. मैंने नहीं किया. Not me. Not me. छोटा बच्चा कर गया होगा. Might be the little kid. Might be the little kid. सब यही खा रहे थे. Everyone was eating here. Everyone was eating here. माफ करना, पानी गिरा दिया. Sorry, I spilled water. Sorry, I spilled water. अभी साफ कर देता हूँ. I'll clean it now. I'll clean it now. तुम्हारे मोजे कहाँ हैं? Where are your socks? Where are your socks? दराज में है. In the drawer. In the drawer. अभी जरूरत नहीं है. I don't need them now. I don't need them now. बाथरूम में छोड़ दिए. I left them in bathroom. I left them in bathroom. एक गायब है. One is missing. One is missing. अभी सूख नहीं पाए. Still drying. Still drying. धुलने को दिए हैं. I gave them for washing. I gave them for washing. अभी तुमने क्या कहा? What did you just say? What did you just say? मैंने कहा मैं जा रहा हूँ. I said I'm going. I said I'm going. कुछ खास नहीं. Nothing important. Nothing important. शायद तुम्हें ठीक से सुनाई नहीं दिया. You probably didn't hear clearly. You probably didn't hear clearly. मैं फिर से कहता हूँ. I'll repeat it. I'll repeat it. बस बड़बड़ा रहा था. I was just mumbling. I was just mumbling. अपने आप से बात कर रहा था. I was talking to myself. I was talking to myself. खिड़की पर किसने खटखटाया? Who knocked on the window? Who knocked on the window? मैंने गलती से किया. I did it by mistake. I did it by mistake. मैं तो पास भी नहीं था. I wasn't near the window. I wasn't near the window. शायद हवा से हुआ. Might be the wind. Might be the wind. शायद बिल्ली थी. Maybe the cat. Maybe the cat. कोई बच्चा खेल रहा होगा. Some kid playing outside. Some kid playing outside. पेड़ की टहनी लगी होगी. Tree branch hit it. Tree branch hit it. पेट पकड़ के क्यों बैठे हो? Why are you holding your stomach? Why are you holding your stomach? दर्द हो रहा है. It's hurting. It's hurting. ऐसे ही बैठा हूँ. Just sitting like that. Just sitting like that. शायद गैस है. Maybe gas. Maybe gas. ज़्यादा खा लिया. I ate too much. I ate too much. अजीब सा लग रहा है. Feeling uneasy. Feeling uneasy. मुझे आराम चाहिए. I need rest. I need rest. क्या बना रहे हो? What are you drawing? What are you drawing? एक कार्टून कैरेक्टर. A cartoon character. A cartoon character. कुछ नहीं बना रहा. Nothing actually. Nothing actually. बस कुछ स्केच कर रहा हूँ. Just some rough sketches. Just some rough sketches. आर्ट क्लास के लिए प्रैक्टिस है. Practicing for art class. Practicing for art class. मंडला डिजाइन बना रहा हूँ. मंडला डिजाइन. मंडला डिजाइन. नए आइडिया ट्राई कर रहा हूँ. Trying new ideas. Trying new ideas. अचानक कहाँ गायब हो गए थे? Where did you disappear? Where did you disappear? कॉल पर था. Was on a call. Was on a call. मैं कहीं नहीं गया. I didn't go anywhere. I didn't go anywhere. बस बाहर ताजी हवा लेने गया था. Just needed some fresh air. Just needed some fresh air. वॉशरूम गया था. Went to the washroom. Went to the washroom. डोरबेल बजी थी. Doorbell rang. Doorbell rang. मम्मी की मदद कर रहा था. Was helping mom. Was helping mom. इतनी तेजी से क्या टाइप कर रहे हो? What are you typing so fast? What are you typing so fast? मैसेज का जवाब दे रहा हूँ. Replying to messages. Replying to messages. ऐसे ही कुछ टाइप कर रहा हूँ. Just random stuff. Just random stuff. कल के लिए notes. Notes for tomorrow. Notes for tomorrow. एक कैप्शन लिख रहा हूँ. Writing a caption. Writing a caption. दोस्त को टेक्स्ट कर रहा हूँ. Texting a friend. Texting a friend. स्टोरी पोस्ट कर रहा हूँ. Posting a story. Posting a story. अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो वीडियो को लाइक और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा वीडियो को शेयर करें. एंड लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन कि आगे आपको और कौन से टॉपिक पर वीडियो चाहिए. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वन.